Team page, we have a few things happening here. We have some social icons that we're setting the font size here for, and the color for them. Right here, this gray color, you'll see that down there. And then we also have, first of type, yep. We set padding left and right for the icons. And then padding left turning that to 0 for the first of type, so this first icon. And then last of type turning on, or putting the 0, the padding right, so not any since the last one. And then on hover, we're going to 50%. That's right here. And then we have a social icons light option that we have the white icons for. And then I'll show how in the social video, I'll show how to add other icons using Font Awesome besides these ones. These aren't the Divi regular ones, so with Font Awesome you have tons more options. And then here we're using that half image, half text section, setting the height on tablet to 400 for the image and 300 for the image on mobile. For more on that, check out the general section video. I'll go into depth on that one. And that is it for the team page.